Good morning, all. Today we will learn something new again. Okay, so today what we are going to learn is the continuation of methods of calculation of goodwill. And today we are going to learn the capitalization method. Right now, on the first day, I told you, on the first class, I told you that goodwill can be valued under three methods. कौन सा तीन methods हैं? The first one is average profit method. ठीक है, उसके अंडर में दो था, simple average method. Okay, simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. Second, the super profit method. Okay, the super profit method. The last one was the capitalization method. Under capitalization method, we have got two methods. One, capitalization of average profit, another one, capitalization of super profit. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so under capitalization method, what is there? Let's see. Okay, so under capitalization method, what happens is that here you will get two methods. First one, capitalization of average profit, and the second one, capitalization of super profit. And under this method, what you will do is that you are going to capitalize the either average profit, or you are going to capitalize either the super profit. Capitalize means what? You are going to find out what is the capital value of your profit. Either it can be capital value of your average profit or capital value of your super profit. Okay, the two methods are different. Exactly, you cannot say the same way. Okay, but the main basis is that. Okay, so let's find out what is the meaning of capitalization first. Capitalization or capitalize means what is the capital value of your profit or your business according to your performance. According to your performance, how you can value the business. What is the worth of your business according to your capital value? Okay, according to your profit. Like suppose you have invested, say assume 5 lakh, right? And you are expecting a return of 10%. So 10% of 5 lakh is 50,000, right? Now this 50,000 is your performance. Now if I say what is the capital value of this 50,000, okay, what you will do is that just find the reciprocal of the rate of return that you are expecting, right? Like 50,000 into 100 by 10, right? Your expected rate of return that I told was 10%, right? So what you will do here is that your capitalized value will be again the reciprocal of your investment. So expected rate of investment, right? Expected rate of return from investment. Expected rate of return from investment. So whatever money you are investing in the business, what is the return you are expecting from that? That you have to find out. And whatever profit you are earning, that you have to find out. Then the profit multiplied by reciprocal of that particular expected rate of return will give you the capital value of a thing. Okay, don't worry. Okay, it's very simple. I'll make it more clear with this particular explanation. So let's go with the first average profit method. Okay, that is the capitalization of average profit method. Under capitalization of average profit method, what you will get is that first of all, you have to find out the average profit. Obviously, after adjustment, after making all the adjustment, you just find out the capital. You just find out the average profit. Okay, you find out the average profit earned by using the average profit method. That is what you have learned earlier. profit minus or plus whatever the adjustments are there. Okay, after that you will get your average profit. Once you have got the average profit, what you will do after getting the average profit, what you will do is that calculate the capitalized value of that average profit. ठीक है, पहले क्या करना है, एवरेज प्रॉफिट निकालना है. एवरेज प्रॉफिट निकालने के लिए सेम फॉर्मूला इस्तेमाल करना है जो तुम लोगों ने एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड में सीखा था. वेटेड वाला नहीं चाहिए, सिंपल वाला चलेगा. ठीक है, फिर क्या करना है, उस एवरेज प्रॉफिट को कैपिटलाइज करना है. जस्ट नाउ आई टोल्ड यू द फॉर्मूला. कैसे करना है, एवरेज प्रॉफिट इनटू रेसिप्रोकल करना है वो जो रिटर्न होता है. जैसे पकड़ लो, अगर 10% एक्सपेक्टेड रिटर्न है तो 100/10. अगर 15% रिटर्न एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो तो 100/15. ठीक है, उसको रेसिप्रोकल करके निकालना है कैपिटल वैल्यू. ओके, दैट मींस एवरेज प्रॉफिट इनटू 100 डिवाइडेड बाय नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न. इस फॉर्मूला को यूज करना है. क्लियर? सो पहले एवरेज प्रॉफिट आ गया, फिर उस एवरेज प्रॉफिट को हम लोगों ने कैपिटलाइज कर दिया. कैपिटल वैल्यू मतलब जो रिटर्न आया है उसके बेसिस में मेरा कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कॉम्प्लिकेशंस होता है इसलिए क्योंकि मैंने हो सकता है बिजनेस में 5 लाख रुपए लगाए हैं. ठीक है, लेकिन मैंने जब कैपिटलाइज किया उसको तो देखा जा रहा है कि मेरा कैपिटल का वैल्यू 5 लाख से ज्यादा है. ठीक, it can happen. Okay, how? Let me give you an illustration example here so that it will be clear. Okay, suppose capital invested, CI means capital invested. Okay, capital invested is, all the figures are in rupees 5 lakh, right? You were expecting return of say 15%, right? Clear? But it is seen that, okay, it is seen that your actual profit, the average profit that you have earned, okay, the average profit that you have earned is, say, 50,000. No, let's take let's take it 1 lakh. Okay, that will give us a more fairer way view. So 1 lakh. Capital invested was 5 lakh, right? You are expecting return of 15%. तुमने देखा था कि मतलब शायद 15% रिटर्न आ जाएगा, लेकिन तुम्हारा एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट तुमने अर्न किया है how much? 1 lakh, right? So what you will do is that you have to capitalize this value to find out the value of your, according to your profit, what is the capital value of your business. ठीक है, तुम्हारे बिजनेस में जो पैसा तुमने लगाया है, ठीक है, उसके बेसिस में जो रिटर्न आना चाहिए. क्लियर है? अगर उससे ज्यादा आता है, फिर से समझो, the money that you have invested in your business and the return you are expecting from it. Clear? If the return is more, अगर तुम्हारा रिटर्न ज्यादा आ रहा है, एक्सपेक्ट किया था 15%, ठीक है, रिटर्न अगर उससे ज्यादा आता है, 15% से ज्यादा आता है, ठीक है, तो वो जो तुम ज्यादा अर्न कर रहे हो, क्लियर है, वो ये इंडिकेट कर रहा है कि तुम्हारे बिजनेस में कोई पॉजिटिव एनर्जी है जिसके लिए तुम ज्यादा अर्न कर रहे हो, और वो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी का नाम है गुडविल. ठीक है, उसी को हम लोग निकाल रहे हैं. क्लियर है? तो क्या करोगे, इस पर्टिकुलर मेथड में क्या करते हैं ना, कि जो एवरेज प्रॉफिट होता है उसको कैपिटलाइज कर देते हैं. ओके, उसको कैपिटलाइज वैल्यू निकाल देते हैं. कैसे कैपिटलाइज वैल्यू निकालेंगे उसका? कैपिटलाइज वैल्यू का मतलब क्या है पता है? उसके अकॉर्डिंग में तुम्हारा कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना आ रहा है. दैट मींस 1 लाख इज योर रिटर्न, राइट? So based on your return, what is the value of your capital? उल्टा जा रहे हैं हम लोग, रिवर्स कैलकुलेशन. बेस्ड ऑन योर रिटर्न, दैट इज 1 lakh into 100 divided by what was your expected return? 15. Clear? That means you are seeing that your capital value is how much? If I say it's 15, so for the convenience, let me make this as 90,000 so that it will be easy for making the calculations. Okay, just for making the calculation easy, I'm making it 90,000. With 1 lakh also you can do, it will come in point. So what will be the capital value now? 90,000 into 100 by 15, right? So it is coming 6 lakh. According to your profit that you are earning, your capital value is 6 lakh. Clear? You have invested 5 lakh. You were expecting 15% return. But actually you have earned 90,000, right? So according to 90,000, your capital value should have been 6 lakh. अगर 90,000 प्रॉफिट अर्न कर रहे हो मतलब तुम्हारा बिजनेस का वैल्यू कितना है 6 लाख रुपीस. तो वैल्यू कितना बढ़ा है बिजनेस का, ठीक है. जितना वैल्यू तुम्हारा एक्स्ट्रा बढ़ गया है मतलब वो तुम्हारा एसेट एक बढ़ गया है. योर इंटेंजिबल एसेट, your one particular intangible asset has increased. Why intangible asset? Because you are not knowing about that, but it has increased. This particular increase in the value of asset is called goodwill. Okay, this particular increase in the value of asset is called goodwill. Try to understand. 5 लाख तुमने जो इन्वेस्ट किया था उससे क्या हुआ कि तुमने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि रिटर्न 15% आना चाहिए. क्लियर है? लेकिन रिटर्न कितना आया है 90,000. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू 90,000 योर कैपिटल वैल्यू, दैट इज योर वैल्यू ऑफ योर बिजनेस, इज हाउ मच? 6 लाख. क्लियर? सो गुडविल क्या होगा? गुडविल विल बी वेरी सिंपल, कैपिटल वैल्यू ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट और कैपिटलाइज वैल्यू ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट माइनस कैपिटल इन्वेस्टेड इन द बिजनेस. राइट? सो कैपिटल वैल्यू कितना था? 6 लाख माइनस कैपिटल इन्वेस्टेड कितना था? 5 लाख. मतलब तुम्हारा गुडविल कितना हुआ? 1 लाख. So your value of goodwill is 1 lakh in this situation. I guess all of you understood this. This is how you are going to find out the goodwill under average profit method, capitalization of average profit method. Okay, this is how you are going to find out the value of goodwill under capitalization of average profit method. I guess it is clear, all of you. Okay, after that I'm going to explain you some more things. Just a minute. So under this particular method, what do you learn? First of all, you have to find out the average profit. Then you capitalize the average profit. How to capitalize this average? How will you capitalize the average profit? Average profit multiplied by 100 divided by expected rate of return or normal rate of return. Clear? Then calculate the value of capital employed. How much capital you have employed in the business? In this example, I gave it directly, it is 5 lakh. But in your actual question, you have to find out, as you have done in the previous class. That is, you have learned how to find out the capital employed or net asset or capital invested in the business, right? The same formula you have to use, and you have to find out what is the value of your capital invested in the business. Clear? That you can use by following this value also. That is value of asset excluding goodwill or fictitious asset or non-trading investment minus outside liabilities. This particular formula I have explained you yesterday. There is a previous class. Okay, so after that, what you will do, once you have got the capital invested in the business, you compare your capital invested in the business with capitalized value of average profit. How will you do that? Capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed, and the difference will be goodwill. Okay, capitalized value मतलब आज के डेट में तुम्हारे बिजनेस का वैल्यू कितना है. आज के डेट में तुम्हारे बिजनेस का वैल्यू कितना है, माइनस कर दो तुम्हारा जो पहले का इन्वेस्टमेंट था, तो जो वैल्यू बढ़ा वो तुम्हारे गुडविल है, ठीक है, जो वैल्यू बढ़ा वो तुम्हारा गुडविल है। क्लियर? दिस इज हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द सम ऑन कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड। ओके, कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड अंडर एवरेज प्रॉफिट। ओके, कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड। क्लियर? Capitalization of average profit method. I guess it is clear all of you. Okay. Okay. So now we will see a practical. Okay. Now we'll see a sum where we can understand this particular method more clearly. So in this particular question, what you can see is that what is given: calculate value of goodwill from the following information. Okay, and what is the information given? Average profit for the last 5 years. Okay, directly it is mentioned the average profit of the last 5 years. You all know how to calculate the average profit, right? And how to make the adjustments. So average profit for the last 5 years was 50,000. The normal rate of return or the expected rate of return out of the profit is 10%. The profit you are expecting is 10%, right? And the amount of net asset. Okay, net asset means as I told you already, net asset means capital employed, right? So net asset, the amount of net asset was 6 lakh. Clear? It's a 6 lakh amount. So capital invested is 6 lakh. Amount of outside liability was 2,50,000. Now remember one thing: if the word excluding goodwill is given, that means goodwill, that is the intangible asset, has already been segregated from the value of, that is the capital value of the business. Okay, there is the capital of the business. Now one thing that you have to do here is that you have to find out, okay, generally if external liabilities are not given, that is outside liabilities, if it is not given, then you will take net asset itself as capital employed. ठीक है, अगर और कुछ एडजस्टमेंट नहीं है तो नेट एसेट को ही तुम कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड पकड़ लेते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है, कि नेट एसेट को ही कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड पकड़ना है। लेकिन यहाँ पे आउटसाइड लायबिलिटी बोल के दे दिया है, मतलब ये जो टोटल एसेट है, टोटल एसेट माइनस गुडविल को नेट एसेट बोला जा रहा है यहाँ पे। सो इस नेट एसेट से तुम्हें एक्सटर्नल लायबिलिटी को निकालना पड़ेगा। अगर एक्सटर्नल लायबिलिटी नहीं है क्वेश्चन में, दैट मीन्स योर नेट एसेट विल बी योर कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड। अगर आउटसाइड लायबिलिटी नहीं है, मतलब तुम्हारा नेट एसेट ही कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड होगा। लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन में आउटसाइड लायबिलिटी दिया हुआ है, सो योर कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड विल बी what was the net asset? 6 lakh minus 2,50,000. Okay, then you will get your capital employed. What will be your capital employed then? 3,50,000. Clear? I guess all of you understood that. Very easy. Okay, मैं फिर से रिपीट करता हूं, अगर नेट एसेट है और आउटसाइड लायबिलिटी वगैरह नहीं है तो यही कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड पकड़ोगे। लेकिन अगर बाहर का लायबिलिटी है, एक्सटर्नल लायबिलिटीज है, तो उसको माइनस करके कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड आएगा ऐसे। ओके, सो नाउ आई गेस द क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर। वी विल गो विद द सॉल्यूशन। ओके, सो इन द सॉल्यूशन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज दैट first of all you have to find out the average profit. The average profit is given here, right? The average profit is given here. So what we will do now?
The scan is completed.
What we will do now? We will find out the capitalized value of, yes, capitalized value of average profit. So how to find out? Capitalized value of average profit equals to average profit into 100 divided by the expected rate of return. The expected rate of return is, yes, exactly, it is 10%, right? So average profit, that is 50,000 into 100 by 10. So what will be that? 50,000 into 100 by 10, so it is 5 lakh, right? So 5 lakh is your, yeah, capitalized value of average profit. 5 lakh is the capitalized value of average profit. Clear? Now we will find out what is your capital employed. I have already told you in the while explaining the question. Capital employed is total asset, that is 6 lakh minus outside liability. 6 lakh minus 2,50,000. So 3,50,000 is your capital employed, right? Capital employed is 3,50,000. Your capitalized value of average profit is 5 lakh. So your value of goodwill will be 5 lakh minus 3,50,000. So 5 lakh minus 3,50,000, it comes to 1,50,000. So your value of goodwill will be 1,50,000. Clear? Okay, I guess it is clear. That's all. This is how you are going to find out the value of goodwill using capitalization of average profit method.